Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can use potato to make a cream out of it, and this potato cream is really effective in removing dark spots, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation marks from your skin, and it will make your skin really spotless, glowing, clear, and will completely remove all the dark spots, pigmentation marks and hyperpigmentation marks from your skin easily at home within few days of using this cream. So this potato cream is rich in antioxidants and vitamins which are really effective and works really fastly in removing the pigmentation marks from your skin. This cream is made up of all natural ingredients and has no side effects, so you can use it whatever skin type you have, and this cream will also nourish and brighten your skin tone, making your skin really clear, bright and glowing. This cream is filled with antioxidants, minerals and vitamins that are best for your skin. It can lighten and brighten your skin tone. It also helps to retain the lost moisture in your skin and can also reduce skin inflammation, acne marks, dark spots and pigmentation. And this cream is a rich source of iron, vitamin C, which tightens your skin tone and also provides anti-aging benefits. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need a potato, and now we have to grate this potato, and for that I'm using this small grater and I'm just grating the potato really nicely. And after finally grating the potato, now we have to strain this grated potato. And for that I'm using a strainer and a bowl, and I'm just putting all this finely grated potato into a strainer. And now just squeezing all the potato juice out of it. And after squeezing all the potato juice from the grated potatoes, your potato juice will look something like this. And this potato juice is highly beneficial for your skin. This juice is a natural bleaching agent that can lighten, brighten and tighten your skin. It has the power to remove all the stubborn tan, dark spots, pigmentation and stubborn acne marks from your skin, and thereby improving your skin complexion. Potato juice can also help to treat blemishes, sunburn, dark spots, fine lines and dull skin, and can revitalize your skin, making it really bright, glowing, clear and spotless. So now let's see how to prepare this potato cream. And to prepare this potato cream, we firstly have to take almost 2 teaspoons of potato juice in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of honey into it. After that, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And now lastly, you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And after adding the aloe vera gel, now I'm just mixing all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth cream. And after mixing all the ingredients really well, your homemade potato cream is ready, and it will look something like this. This potato cream is really rich in consistency, it's smooth, it's lump free and it's supremely glossy, as you can see here. And this cream is also a lightweight cream, so you will not feel any heaviness onto your skin. And after applying this cream, your skin will start improving its texture and improving its skin tone from within, and it will make your skin really bright, glowing, spotless and clear. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much fluffy and creamy as I'm showing you in the video. Now the procedure to store this cream is supremely easy. You can store this cream in any airtight container for up to 15 to 20 days. And here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. So try to make a small batch of this cream so that it can last up to 15 to 20 days only. And now let's see how to use this cream for best results. So you can use this cream as you normally use any other cream. You just have to take a little amount of this cream onto your fingertips and then just gently apply it onto your skin and massage it thoroughly onto your skin so that this cream goes deeply into your skin and can work from within. And for the best results, you have to use this cream every night before going to bed because it works really well if you use it as a night cream. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.